Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dal Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 28, we are going to learn how to create a class within the module. Since in the last program we are discussing that basically module is a namespace which is used to, you can say that, grouping class, methods and the constants. So in the next step we are going to create a class module example and create a new file, class module example, and use the Ruby. Okay, puts use of class within the module. So for this thing, first of all we need to create the module and use the module, and here is the student class, student module. You can see student module, student. Okay, now I think that name is not good. College is best for that. And now we are creating a class and then use the class variable name, and for first thing I am using the create a class student, and here I am displaying some values. Welcome to Dar Education College. So whenever we will place this statement in the initialize, so it means that when the statement will run, this method automatically display welcome to the Dar Education College and create the constructor of the class. Now we are creating and another method enroll, and here we will display some other message. Please submit your dues of amount 3,000 pounds for admission, for example. Now we create one constructor and one user defined method enrollment, fee enrollment, you can say that fee enroll. Okay, now we will create and learn how to create the object of within that module. So it's a little bit was changed. We are going to create student1 and is equal to, then we will use the college, this will be the module, and then use two column names, and after that you will use the name of the class and student dot new. And now you will approach to this method dot, then for this thing there is no change, just run this application and run this module. So you can see that first of all use of the class within the module, this will be the put statement. After that, welcome to the Dar Education College, this will method will call automatically when we create the new object, and after that we are approaching the fee enroll method with the help of this thing. So in this way you can create the class within the module or namespace. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos and information. Allah Hafiz.